is x, and value of y from the parabola is x square. So, this is x minus x square dx. Now, integrate this. So, this is 2 times of integration of x is x square by 2 and minus x cube by 3 and limit from 0 to 1. Now, so this becomes 2 times of, first we will put 1 and then 0. So, 2 times of x square upon 2, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, and if we put 0 then it becomes 0. So, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So, that is 2 times of 1 by 6, and that is 1 by 3 square units. Is it clear? Okay. Now, next question is, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square upon 4 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. This ellipse is symmetric about x axis and y axis. Its major axis is along y axis and minor axis is along x axis. Now, this figure is symmetric. Therefore, area of this ellipse can be written as four times of area of O, A, B, C, O. Since this figure is symmetric, so it can be written as 4 times of area of O, A, B, C, O. Now, let us consider a step. Again, I am taking parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis. Here, strip is drawn parallel to y axis. So, we will write here dx, this length is y. But if we draw a strip parallel to x axis, then we will write x dy, and then we have to write the value of x from the parabola in the form of y. Here I am writing this 4 times of y dx. Here value of y is one minus x square by 4 into 9 and then square root of this. So, it will become 3 into square root of this dx, or it can be written as 12. From here this becomes 4 minus x square under square root 12 by 2, this 2 will come out dx. Here limit is from 0 to 2. Now, what is integration of this type? It is, you know this. So, this is 6 under root 4 minus x square means x by 2 under root 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2, because here a square is 4 by 2, sine inverse x upon 2, and limit is from 0 to 2. Is it clear? Now, put the values. So, this is 6, when we will put 2, it becomes 2 by 2 is 1, but 4 minus 2 squares becomes 0, plus 4 by 2 we can write 2, sine inverse 2 by 2 is 1, minus, when we put 0, 0 into something becomes 0, so it will become 0, and minus 4 by 2 or 2 sine inverse 0 by 2 is again 0. So, this becomes 12 sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So, the answer is, or area of the region is 6 pi square units. Is it clear? Next question is, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, line x is equal to root 3y, and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Radius of this circle is 2 units. So, coordinates of B are 2 and 0. Root 3y is equal to x is a line passing to the origin, making an angle of pi by 6 with positive direction of x-axis. Now, first we have to calculate the coordinates of point A. Now, for finding the coordinates of point A, our equations are x square plus y square is equal to 4. Put x is equal to root 3y in this equation. So, it becomes root 3y square is 3y square plus y square is equal to 4. So, y is equal to plus minus 1. But here we have to take positive value plus 1 because this part is in first quadrant. Now, if y is equal to 1, then put the value of y in this line, x is equal to root 3y. If y is 1, then value of x is root 3. So, coordinates of point A are root 3 and 1. Now, we have to find the area of this enclosed figure. So, here area is area of OABO. So, this area is area of OABO. Now, this figure is divided in two parts. Suppose this is M. So, this area will be written as area of OAMO plus area of MABO. Now, for this first part, this is the strip, and for second part, this is the strip. Now, length of this strip or value of phi we have to take from the line because upper end on the strip lies on the line. So, and limit is from 0 to root 3. So, this is 0 to root 3, let us write this y1 dx plus upper end of the second strip lies on the circle. So, we have to take the value of this y from the circle. Let us write there here from root 3 to 2 y2 dx. Now, y1 is x upon root 3. So, this is 0 to root 3 x upon root 3 dx, and second part is root 3 to 2 y2 is 4 minus x square under square root dx. Now, we have to integrate these two parts. This is x square by 2 root 3 and this is from limit is from 0 to root 3 plus integration of this is x by 2 under root 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 sine inverse x by 2, and limit of this part is from root 3 to 2. If you simplify this, this becomes, if we put this value, this becomes 3 upon 2 root 3 plus when x is 0 it becomes 0 plus 2 sine inverse 2 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 and minus 2 sine inverse root 3 by 2. Now this is root 3 by 2 plus 2 pi by 2. So 2 cancel, minus root 3 by 2 minus sine inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. So it becomes minus 2 pi by 3. Now root 3 by 2 root 3 by cancel. So pi minus 2 pi by 3 is pi by 3 square units. Is that clear? Now the question is, find the area of the region bounded by the parabolas y is equal to x square and x is equal to y square. Now y is equal to x square is upward parabola, vertex is at the origin and y axis is axis of symmetry. X is equal to y square is parabola towards positive direction of x axis, vertex is at the origin and x axis is axis of symmetry. Now these two parabolas intersect each other at this point, suppose A. Now we have to find the point of intersection of A. Here y is equal to x square, x is equal to y square, so we will put the value of y, that is root x, in second equation, first equation. So becomes x to the power 4 minus x is equal to 0. So factors are x, x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, but this factor has no real roots. So we cannot find the value of x from this factor. So these two parabolas intersect each other at 0, when x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. We know when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So this is origin. Second, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So point of intersection is 0, 0 and 1, 1. Now this is the area of the region bounded by these two parabolas. So now let us draw a strip parallel to y axis . So value of y, that is length of the strip, is value of y from y square is equal to x parabola minus value of y from x square is equal to y parabola. In this figure, y square is equal to x is a parabola facing towards positive direction of x axis, axis of parabola is x axis, origin at vertex is at the origin, and x square is equal to y is upward parabola, axis is y axis and vertex is at the origin. Now these two intersect at O and A, coordinates of O are 0, 0 and coordinates of A are 1, 1. Now area of the bounded region is this. We will write y1 from y square is equal to x parabola. So this is root x, and y2 from y is equal to x square parabola. So this is x square dx and from 0 to 1. Now, after integration, it becomes x to the power root plus 1 root half plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x cube by 3 and from 0 to 1. Now, when x is equal to 1, it becomes 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. When x is equal to 0, both become 0. So, the answer is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 square units. So, these are questions of area of bounded region. This chapter is very important as per board examination point of view, and you will get 6 marks question in the board. So, try some more questions, more practice this and get 6 marks. Thank you.